Hello people, this is me, and well, that's not me, that's my dog, and his name is Roan. Say hi, Roan. Roan. And we're at the park, doing one of his most favorite activities, sliding. Come on, Roan. Good boy. Come on, let's go again. Come on, Roan. Up you go. See, he knows which way to go. Ready, Roan? Go! Come on, Roan. Come on, let's go again. Come on. Sorry, people. He's a little tired today because he just did his papers. Go on, Roan. Now wait right there. Ready? Go! Good boy. You ready to go, Roan? Okay. Bye, peeps.